Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty Budgetz here, and today I will be doing my calendar setup for the month of February. If you are new to my channel, on my channel I give out jobs. My job is to be open, honest, and transparent, share as much of my budgeting tips as I can, and to be supportive on your channel when I can, however I can. And then you get a job. That's right. I know you're just showing up to my channel, but you do get a job on my channel. Your job will be to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like what you hear, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I be posting my next video. Now go ahead and do your little job. Do your little job. You don't want to lose this little job. You just got this job by showing up to my channel today. So make sure you go ahead and do your little job. Thank you. So I am going ahead and applying stickers that I created on Canva. So if you don't have any stickers and you don't want to pay for any stickers, just go ahead and go straight to Canva and use Canva. And I'm going to do like a red and brown theme for this calendar, something different. Oh, but speaking of Canva, I also did just create an intro. So let me go ahead and drop my intro now. Okay, so that was my intro. Hope you guys enjoyed. So yes, these are just, like I said, these are some things that I created on Canva. And then I'm just gonna go in and just put my days of the week onto these label. Guys, I am almost to 10,000 subscribers. Today is the last day to meet my goal officially. Of course, whenever I get that, it's fine. I don't mind. But my goal was by the end of this month. So come on, make a miracle happen. Make a miracle happen. I think I have, 240 subscribers left to make this goal possible by the end of today. We can do it. We can do it. Okay, so next I'm just going to go in and put in my date stickers. If you do have this planner, make sure you go ahead and select the lasso tool, have the text, the handwriting feature, and the text feature selected. And then make sure you resize it to the size that you want your numbers to be prior to clicking out, because once you click out you'll just have to recircle everything again. So I am going in and circling around all of my numbers and putting them where they need to be. This step, it takes a little bit of time, but this is what makes the calendar reusable year after year, not having these date stickers already put in for you. So I thought that was important to get the most bang for your buck. So yes, I'm just gonna go in. I did mess up and skip a number at one point, but you'll see me go back in and fix that. Sorry, my dog is playing with his bowl. So yes, I kind of like this red and chocolate brown situation going on, because when you think of Valentine's Day, of course you think of roses and chocolates. Like, that's the norm. Yeah, I was trying to find a digital sticker set for Valentine's Day that wasn't like your typical pink and red. I couldn't, so that's why I just went ahead and created my own with Canva. And essentially it's all just images that you put on a transparent background when you download it. So Canva will give you the option to do transparent when you download, so always do transparent, and that way they are cropped out pretty much. So this is when I realized that I forgot the number 10, so I'm just moving everything over so that I can insert my number 10. If you're new to the budgeting system, we use a calendar view to just get an overview of like when our paydays are, when our bills are due, and just things that are going on within the month financially. Sometimes I do add in a little bit of extra stuff, like personal stuff, like birthdays. I also put in my study schedule. I also put in when I plan on posting videos in my monthly view. So whatever, you can put in whatever, but on the budgeting side, it is used to keep track of when bills are due and when you will get paid, so that you can pay attention to what paycheck has to pay what bills. If you are not 1 month ahead, like most people aren't, I just became 1 month ahead on all of my bills, so I really don't worry about the actual due dates anymore. If you are not 1 month ahead, then you always want to have a calendar view set up so that you can know ahead of time what bill is due and when it is due. So for right now, I'm just doing the fun part, which is decorating and seeing what stickers I can use to kind of fill up some of that empty space. This sticker is actually one that I did get from Canva, and they have some amazing stickers on. They're already made. I just added it all to one sheet so that I can easily go in and crop out what I need. So yeah, I'm just filling in the blanks here with stickers. A lot of people think digital planning or digital stickers are so complicated. However, it's not. It's really just taking a picture and putting it on top of a page, like just like you would do with the digital stickers. I mean, like the physical stickers. So now I'm just going in and putting in some of my reminder stickers, and this is from ATArtDigital, the same sticker kit that I used last month. She has some really cute reminder stickers. I think these were like $1 something. So I do want to get a pedicure for my trip, so that's one thing that I am putting in now. And let's see what else I can take from this. My godfather's birthday is this month, so I'm going ahead and putting his birthday in. I think that was a really cute balloon sticker. So typing that in there. And as you can see, the font is in white, so I'm just changing the color so that it is visible. What else can I take from this sticker set? Okay, where I'm going to put when I want to pack my bags. I always like to pack my bags before my trip, so that, I make sure I have everything. And then I am going to be putting in this work laptop or computer looking thing, and that's just going to indicate all the days that I want to post on YouTube. So I'm just copying and pasting this so that they're all the same everywhere that I paste them. So I usually try to post about 3 to 4 days a week now. At the least, I'll do like 2 to 3 a week. So I'm just putting in those days, and this is just like a visual reminder for myself when I want to post videos. And then my usual schedule is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Sunday. So that's what I'm putting in. Now, after that, I'll probably go in and put in my study dates, but we will see. I'm using iMovie right now to edit this video, and they will only let you speed up to 2 times, so it's kind of hard because I used to use CapCut, and you can do up to 10 times, so it was a lot faster. So I do apologize, but I guess this is helpful for the people who are just starting out with digital planning. So this is just like little, I don't know, what do you call these, bullet points that I'm putting on my tabs here, just to give a little extra color to that the blank and white pages. So going in and looking to see if there's anything else that I can use. Oh, yep, like I said, the study. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my study days. And I have discussion post on Wednesdays. And then I usually have like a paper that I have to write on Sunday. So I'll try to have it done on Saturdays. Yeah, I'm just going in and just putting in like the dates that I plan on studying. When I make my calendar view, I usually don't have a plan in mind, so that's why it's kind of like trying to figure out what I'm going to put in, because I'm literally making up my plan as I go. Next, I will be going in and putting in my grocery date. So I plan on going shopping this Friday, and then again, I usually always go around payday, so that's why I know what days I'll be going shopping. So every 2 weeks I usually go. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put in my actual paydays as well. I think I'm going to use this like sticky note thumbtack looking thing. I was trying to decide what to use, but that's what I think I'm going to use. When I lassoed around, I actually took both the green and the red. So now I'm just getting the red only. And I'm going to put it in. So I'll be getting paid on the 4th, the 18th from my full-time job. I'll get paid on the 21st from YouTube. Then I'll be paid on the 1st. I'm going to go ahead and cash in my Etsy, Shopify, and I think PayPal. And then I'm trying to decide, I don't know when, but there is one more paycheck, which will be my TikTok paycheck, and I don't know that when that will get paid out. So I don't know if I'm going to put anything there, but we will see. So now I'm just writing in what these paydays indicate so that I know. Y'all, I can't believe I officially have like side income money. Like, oh my God, I've been saying I was going to start a side hustle for so long now, and I have officially started it, and it's been amazing. So yeah, here we go. So that looks good so far. Just taking a look to see what else I can put in. I didn't like those lips there, so I took that out, and I think that is it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and label my tabs on the side here. So I will have all my paycheck. We'll get a budget sheet. So I'm going to put a budget sheet for each paycheck. Then I will go in and put my vision board as well as my sinking funds update page. And then I will attach that page to that tab. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tap this vision board tab and then attach the vision board sheet to that page. So I'm just going to locate my template, and it is of course red for February. So then I'm just going to go ahead and type in my actual vision board or goals for this month. So for the month of February, my physical goals is to work out at least 5 days this week, 5 days a week. That's one of my goals. I really want to get in shape before my St. Thomas trip, so I need to start working out. I was supposed to work out this morning, and I actually did it, so hopefully sometime later tonight I'll do that. And then a mental goal is to, what did I say for my mental goal? I guess I have to wait till I get to there. I'm just looking for like a way to like jazz up this blank page over here. This is my Kimmy Chi free stickers here that I do have available. Remember, if you don't have any stickers and you would like some free ones, if you go to the home page and then go to the back, I have some links to Kimmy Chi's YouTube page where she provides free downloads or free sticker downloads. So make sure you check that out, but that link is in this planner if you have purchased it from me. So here, yep, I'm just going in and writing in my goals. So yep, work out 5 days a week. Let me skip forward. I guess I can skip forward to my mental health. Oh yes, go to bed at least by 12 a.m. every night. So go to bed. Like a lot of times I am in the bed by 12. However, we are up until like 3 in the morning. And then spiritually, I want to fast 1 day a week. And then financially, I want to save at least $3,000 this month into my sinking funds. So for my goals for this month is to reach 80,000 followers on TikTok. It is to reach, I think I said 5,000 followers on Instagram. And then it is going to be at 12,000 followers for YouTube. And that's if I make it to 10,000 this month in January, which is today. Come on. Do it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And then my things to try is to get an accountant, a business account, create a savings challenge, remodel my desk, and remodel my office. So my stepson may be moving out, so I'm like, I'm going to make his area an office. But we'll see. So now I'm just going to go in and attach all of my budget sheets to each tab. And that is it, y'all. Once I'm done with that, my calendar is done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this calendar. Oh, and you know what? There is one more thing that I need to add. I need to add in all of my bills for each month. So I did, if you purchase this calendar, it did come with some digital stickers, and they will include expense trackers and bill trackers or bill due dates. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my digital stickers and circle around the red bill sticker, and then I'll just insert the bills everywhere. So I'm just resizing it to see what size I want them, and then I'll insert them into my bills. Alrighty guys, so that is it. This is my finished product as I'm putting in the bills for the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was a little bit more helpful if you did purchase my calendar. It's kind of hard to explain everything, but hopefully seeing it helped somewhat. I love you guys as always for watching, and until next time, peace. Bye. Don't forget to do your little job. Do your little job. Thank you.